we don't have the film crew today. I'm going solo, so excuse the shaky camera work. Heading down to see Brian in Paso Robles. Brian's been working on our M1102 trailer project. He's doing all of the fabrication for that. So I'm going to go help him a little bit today. I believe all the materials are cut to size, and it's looking pretty good. So hopefully we're going to be doing the welding today and getting that thing finished and mounted to the trailer. That's the plan anyway. So it's a little after 8 AM on this fine Saturday. So let's see what the day has to offer and if we can wrap up this project today, which would be fantastic. Coming up now to Paso Robles, and coming up next is a time-lapse of the fabrication, so you'll see that from beginning to end. And then stay tuned after that as we take a more detailed look around the end result. And here is the finished rack. As you can see, square cross-section, steel tubing, it's 2-inch, and circle cross-section for the crossbars. Went with steel rather than aluminum for ease of fabrication, a little easier to work with steel. Each of the corner support legs sits on a plate. It's actually welded to a plate that bolts into existing threaded inserts on the top of the trailer, so that was very convenient. And it makes for a very secure mounting point, 4 bolts on each corner. And that also makes it very easy for us to remove the rack should we need to for any reason. And a close-up here of the corner mounting plates. As you can see, the gusset welds there, and the 4 mounting bolts. And so the next step for the trailer and the rack both is painting. We are going to paint the trailer over the caulk paint. And of course the rack is bare metal at this point, and so obviously it needs to be painted. So there will be an upcoming video on that, so look out for that. And once again, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, why not give us a like? And if you want to see more of our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay notified of when we release a new video. Thanks again. See you next time.